So when AI gives me a beautiful sentence, I have to pause and ask, is this helping me hear myself? I like the idea of speaking into a microphone. There's something about hearing my own voice clearly and receiving information through good quality sound. Especially for someone like me who thinks about the voice a lot. As I explore content creation, I keep coming back to this. How hard it is to actually find our voice. And by voice, I don't mean just sound. I mean the ability to use language, to listen, to respond, and to bring out what we are actually feeling. That in itself is not easy because language doesn't fully capture what we actually experience. The body often knows something before the sentence actually arrives. So voice is not just about projection and finding the right words. It's about connection or connecting, staying connected to the places from where the words begin, the sensations. And now we have AI added to this mix. AI gives us language so quickly. It gives us well-formed, polished sentences that sound good, that look good, and feel impressive. And it's seductive, especially because many of us are already trained to distrust our own language. We are taught that intelligence has a certain sound. Authority has a certain grammar. Good language is supposed to be clean, smooth, confident, and acceptable. And if you come from colonized history, then that goes even deeper. Colonization has shaped what we count as knowledge. It shapes which language sounds intelligent, which accents sound respectable, and which sentence sounds like it belongs. So when AI gives me a beautiful sentence, I have to pause and ask, is this helping me hear myself? Or is it pulling me slightly away from myself? Bell Hooks speaks about voice as how we move from being an object to becoming a subject. It is how we answer back. It is how we become present inside our own experience. So what happens when the sentence arrives even before I have heard myself? What happens when the language becomes ready before the body is ready? Or when language fully becomes when the body is still becoming? I find myself using AI and saying, listen to me, listen to how I'm speaking, listen to my tone, listen to my question, listen to what I'm trying to say. And then I realize maybe I'm also saying that to myself. Listen to yourself, listen to the way the thought is forming, listen before the sentence becomes too polished, listen before your voice becomes too acceptable. Because maybe verbalized language is not the most perfect version of what we want to say. And as we get pulled into another paradigm, maybe the question is not only how we use AI. Maybe the question is, can I use this tool and still stay close to what I'm feeling and experiencing in this body? Can I still hear where my words are coming from? Can I still recognize my own voice when it comes back to me?